Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Minecraft stash. First, consider the type of items you want to hide and how often you'll need to access them. This will help you decide on the best location and construction method. Think about whether you need a simple, quick hideaway or a more elaborate, secure vault. Gathering materials like chests, pistons, and various blocks beforehand will streamline your building process significantly. For a basic stash, burying a chest a few blocks deep is effective and easy. You can also disguise chests by placing them behind paintings or within a wall of similar-looking blocks, making them blend in. Another clever trick involves using water or lava flows to cover your hidden area, adding an extra layer of visual protection. These methods are great for quick, low-effort concealment. If you're looking for more security, consider building a hidden room accessible only by a secret lever or button, perhaps disguised as part of the scenery. An underwater base, complete with an air pocket for breathing, offers excellent isolation. For the ultimate in security, integrate redstone mechanisms to create complex doors or piston-activated entrances, making your stash nearly impossible to find without knowing the exact sequence. Remembering your stash's exact location and how to access it is crucial, especially for complex designs. It's also wise to periodically check your hidden area for any damage or changes that might expose it. Keeping your stash secure means staying vigilant and adapting your methods if needed. For those who love to read and explore new worlds, just like in Minecraft, check out the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Happy stashing!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.